First thing of note here is the quality of the case. It is really nice, incredibly heavy duty. So let's take a look. Oh, look at these latches, beautiful. Okay, let's take that one off. Take that one off. Oh snap, it's heavy. Bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Oh snap. Look at these drills. Hell yes. Look at that battery pack. Thing is huge. Alright, hopefully it lives up to all of the hype, which I know it will because there's a lot of videos already online saying that it will. And oh my god, yes! This thing is beefy. Holy cow, this thing is not going to have... Oh, look at that light. Very nice. Let's take a look. It already has a power indicator. Let's see. It's at like 1. Alright, so this thing needs to be charged up. Here's the cool cross grip that can go on the top of this thing. Damn, this thing is badass. Alright, let's charge some batteries.